Common tools for blocking hats.
This is a quick video to introduce you to some of the blocking tools that you use in this process of hat making. So I'm going to go ahead and open up this one of blocking tools and show you what's in here that are basic tools that you need or that you can use. You don't need them in every circumstance. Tools that you can use for hat blocking.
Nylon rope.
So this bundle here is blocking ropes. They're nylon ropes that once you've blocked your hat, you use that to pin around the base of the hat block using steel pins.
The runner down.
This here is a tool called a runner down, and it's got a little notch in the bottom of it so that you can slip it over one of those ropes and really push it down to the bottom of a hat block, or really press it into a rope line that is carved into a hat block. So this runner down.
The puller down.
This is something called puller down, and they're all engraved with the name of my blog. And the puller down allows you to pull down a large surface area of a hat body instead of, if you're just using your thumb, then you're going to get a deformation and there'll be like a thumbprint in the hat body there. So the puller down allows you to apply uniform pressure across a width of that felt as you push.
The lissoir or foot tolliker.
And then this is something that has several names. French, let's say European millers, call this a lissoir, which is French for press. American and British milliners call this a foot tolliker. It's used to sharpen the crease around the base of a crown on a brimmed hat.
Lasting pliers or plammers.
It's kept in the hammer drawer on the tool cart, even though it looks like, and it is, a pair of pliers. It's not kept in the pliers drawer because it's a special pair of pliers that has a hammer head on it right here. So you can pound in one of these tacks, and then if you get it in the wrong place, you can use these pliers to pull it out, move it, and pound it in again. Or you can just use these pliers to help you pull out those tacks, because the orientation of it, this is meant for making shoes. It's called lasting pliers, and when you're nailing shoes onto a last and you want to pull the tack out with this, then that's great. And that is the set of tools that I'm covering in this video.
If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, please subscribe to my channel, and join me for Studio Stream on Thursday.